Hello, my name's Andy and welcome to the garage. Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is August 23 purchases. There's not a lot, but it is interesting. First up, we have a 1/16 scale McLaren, 1970s. McLaren M23B F1. It's a beautiful thing. I think number 5 was Emerson Fittipaldi's car. I don't think it was James Hunt's car. All the pictures I've seen of James Hunt's car has been number 11. But that was one of my key purchases. I wanted that car. The other one I want is the Yardley McLaren. I haven't seen that yet. So that will go with my JPS Lotus. It's all there. Rather dusty, as you can probably see. It's quite a heavy thing. I don't think this will need a restoration. I think, apart from that tear there on the sticker, that will clean up quite nicely. Next up, Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Barago. Nice model. As you can see, fair bit of detailing inside there. I think there may have been a top to it at one point. There isn't anymore. Looks to be intact. Can't see anything missing. So we can get the bonnet open. There we go. So quite a nice little thing. No restoration required. It is what it is. Just a nice Barago. Not sure what scale that is. It's not 1/16, 1/24 maybe. And another biggie. That is huge. That is 24 centimeters and 5.5, 2 inches wide. It's a stretch limousine. You can all see that. Majorette, 1/32 scale limousine. It's an American limousine. That is, for me, that is a 1970s Lincoln town car. I did do a 7-litre version. The doors open. You can see there is a fair bit of detail in there. It's quite nice. She's got a home to go to. I think she's going to Kev on Kev's Banger Race channel. They do Banger Race these. I mean, who could afford to run a big thing like this once it got into some serious trouble, expense and money wise? BMW, very nice. Not a scratch really. 325i, 1/24. Is that Schuko? Made in Germany. And the issue is the front bumper has totally gone. Apart from that, this car will be perfect. I don't know how I'm going to fix that, because the back bumper is a different shape. I might be able to mould something, I don't know. I look forward if anybody has any ideas. It's 4-door. All the doors open. As you can see, there's a fair bit of detailing in there. She is a lovely thing. And it's a shame, it's such a shame that that bumper is missing. What we got up next? Got a little crane. He's in really nice condition. There we are. Taylor Jumbo Crane Matchbox series. Very nice. Still got his jib. Very, very nice. I've got a few smalls. It's an army truck there. Now I bought these for spares. And that is a Lesney Ford 3-ton 4x4. Doing a few Lesney models, and the wheels are just corroded on a lot of them. There's another one. Lesney Merryweather fire engine. Quite a bit of damage to it. I won't read all these out, but you can see them. They were just bought for spare parts. That's probably intact. There's a bit missing there, I guess. There's a nice one. Little Caterpillar. Made in England. That's all it says. Little snowplow. Broken at the front. Now he might be worth restoring. He's a Husky. There we are, Husky. Got a tractor. Well, that's seen better days. If you look at the wheels there. Not sure who he is. Matchbox series. See if I can get him in focus for you. Matchbox. He's a Matchbox king size number 4. Number 4's on the left. The king size is just there on the back. You can just see that. And we've got a truck. I've had a few of these. Matchbox king size Scammell tractor unit. It's quite tidy. He's lost his wheels, but I bought him for the wheels for other uses. This is a hydraulic shovel, and you can see he's just broke there. Now he might be, you can see he's just broke there. He might be worth restoring actually. Not bad at all. Tyres are off. It's a bit corroded, but at least he's complete. Not sure if this is a little Matador tractor. Scammell rather. Scammell tractor, quite nice. He's intact. Then just another small. Another tractor, Massey Ferguson. He's intact. Quite nice. Then a tank. I think this is a Centurion. And he's quite tidy. I don't think there's anything wrong with him. Apart from the fact he probably had some tracks. This is a little beauty. Little VW camper. Lesney. Volkswagen Caravette. Number 34. Both doors still there, opening. I mean, that is one tidy model. He's really nice. And we've got a few racers. Firestone. I did one similar to this a while ago. This Firestone has its wheels on the wobble. 8-cylinder engine. Matchbox Speed Kings, 1971 Lesney products. Doesn't say what he is. Then we've got Corgi Juniors. Formula 5000. Racing car. Quite tidy. What I'm going to do is try and just clean some of these up, because I've got quite a collection growing of these now. There's another one. Formula 1 racer. Bit tattier that one, paint's a bit chipped, etc. And what have we got here? Got a tractor unit. Is it Kenwood or a Peterbilt? Got the housing there. It's Jack Daniels. He's missing the top of his stack there. You might say he's blown his stack. is quite heavy. It's Matchbox sign just there. Not sure what number, can't see a number. But let's just move those smalls to one side and those to the rear, because we have what must be one of the heaviest trailers going. The trailer to go with it. That must weigh a kilogram. So I think a light restoration here. Just get a new stack on there somehow. Some more smalls. Tatty Caravan, Lesney, Matchbox, number 23, Trailer Caravan. The open air model with the veranda, no doors. Looks like half track, US. That's an M3 personnel carrier by Lesney. It's another one. Scammell breakdown truck. Little nice one. Bit of a military collection there actually going on. If we get them all together. There we have them. 5. What else we got? Davies tyres. Trailer has both doors, which is a definite bonus. Made in England. That's Bedford tractor unit that goes with him. Quite tidy. A few scraps and scrapes. Then a nice London Routemaster bus. All there, just a few scratches on the top there. That might be able to polish out actually. Get rid of that sticker. Yeah, so he's Lesney Routemaster bus. These are number 5. Now, the next one is a little star. Look at that baby. Isn't she beautiful? Totally original, intact, everything there. Matchbox, king size, Foden breakdown tractor. Hi Lesney. What a lovely little thing. And you know, I think that's the star of this week's buys, this month's buys, that. I've seen people restoring these. Oh, his wheels are a bit loose, his tyres. Let's not worry about that. Coming to the end now, I'm afraid. Some boxed items. Awesome removal cart. Ledo, another Ledo truck there. Another one with the milk bottles. These are quite nice, but they're so underrated. Nobody really wants them. There's another Jordan's. 1 horse this time. And finally, for this month, Corgi, still in its box. You can see all round. The original minibus company, Mattel Inc. Not sure what bus he is, but he looks a 1930s bus to me. 176 scale collectible limited edition. Quite nice. I've got a few buses to do, and I'm planning to do some and restore them soon. But the issue is I have to keep doing a lot of decals, and I tend to do my decals in batch. Well, I hope you've liked this month's purchases. To me, that is the star. The Matchbox service station, BP, recovery truck. That is so nice, and that can go with my Formula 1 stuff. I did like the big ones at the early part of the video, particularly the Texaco Can't even get him in view, he's that big. I've got to hold him out quite a bit. He was lovely. So they're the 2 stars for me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. It doesn't cost you anything to like or subscribe. If you'd like to see any of these restored sooner rather than later, please put it in the comments. I do reply to all comments, and I do look forward to receiving them. So have a good weekend, enjoy yourselves, and stay safe. Thank you. I thought I'd just add this as a bonus bit this time. This is how I shot this one and most of my videos now. I sit on a stool, have the phone on a camera tripod in front of me, I have the purchases in that blue bucket on the left, and the rest you can see as always.